It's the next morning and we're at Wallaman Falls lookout. There is one other couple here. We decided to come fairly early. We would have been here earlier, but it's a very, very miserable day. So hopefully today's experiences are better than yesterday's. Hey Gordon.
Morning!
Let's go.
What did you say? I wasn't listening.
It doesn't matter. You can actually see it. It's starting to clear a little bit, but it is ridiculously foggy there. This is nuts. Actually already looking a lot better since when we first walked up. Also, do you guys like Gordon's new hiking haircut? I mean hiking. Hiking.
My hiking haircut, I got it to be streamlined.
Viking. With his big beard, I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it.
That's a Waterfall, right?
Okay guys, let me tell you, it is 269 meters in height. The pool depth below the falls is 20 meters. And height above sea level is 540 meters.
She's reading it from the sign behind you.
Ow! That ruined it. Anyway. Putting on my shoes. Oh, no, just me, putting on my shoes. When I do these shoes up, they remind me of ski boots.
Welcome to... we just talked about it. Welcome to Wallaman Falls Coffee Cart, where the coffee's magic and the falls are glorious.
We need this before we do our 2-kilometre walk to the bottom.
I know, 2Ks, so I don't know how we're going to do it. But it's 2Ks vertically almost. I think it's straight up and straight down.
Well, we struggled yesterday with 1K, but that was very different circumstances, and today's got to be a lot better, isn't it?
I'd say. Depends on the nibbly critters running around.
Now I've just put my shoes on. My long pants are back on. No raincoat today. And my trusty sweater that I wear every day. Already today's walk is much nicer than yesterday's, with some really cool views and a very nice designated clear footpath.
Stress and hard conditions walking, this might look easier, it becomes steep and rough halfway down.
So, do you think we're fit enough?
Might have to leave you behind, babe. It's only 3 Ks.
We can do it, let's go.
Right.
Watches are on. I'll tell you how tricky it is
So,
the further we
we
get.
said where we're going.
So we're still at Wallaman Falls, but there is a 4K hike. So it's 2K down, 2K back up to the top, to the very bottom of the fall.
Steep down. Pretty much absolutely down, that's steep.
So here we go. Okay, so the terrain has gone from a nice clear footpath to rainforest. Oh gosh, quite slippery.
Don't touch the stingers.
Don't touch the stingers. Okay, noted. Don't touch any plants, just in case. So I did say there probably wouldn't be any leeches on this one, but I could be wrong. Oh my gosh. Look at him, he's a little speed walker. Oh my goodness.
It feels like it feels like we're only halfway down. What have we done? 1.5 Ks. So this is going to be fun going back up. Anyway, let's do it.
Oh wow.
Worth the walk?
Definitely worth the walk.
Yeah, I reckon. That's nice. Ah, that's huge.
Definitely worth the hike. It was a very steep descent, so when they say warning, only fit people to do the walk, probably listen, because it was very steep for the whole 2K, slippery. Going up is going to be an absolute mission, but it's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it.
That was cool, eh?
It was cool, eh?
That's huge. There's a lot of water. Now we're gonna go down there.
All the way?
Yeah, all the way. We're gonna go there. We're gonna go for a swim.
We are not.
No, we're not. But we're all gonna go down there.
Some of the way. Get an epic photo.
down here, I suppose. We've climbed quite a long way. It's very wet, very slippery. It's been raining most of last night and everything's dewy and slippy as. So there's spider kitlin. But man, this is absolutely magic. We can't get over how epically big this waterfall is. It's awesome. Now that was magical. We just spent about 20 minutes just kind of staring up at the water coming over the lip of the falls there and down into the pool. And now, unfortunately, we've got to walk back up to the top, which is going to be hectic. Nice view, nice view, nice view. She did.
I need water. I think this red face says it all. I'm exhausted. My heart rate got to 175. Gordon's got to like 140. How'd you find it?
That was fun. Definitely worth it.
Definitely worth it. It's just, it's a bit of effort.
Yeah, a lot of fun. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. It's very moist though.
I need a skull bowl of water. Oh my god.
Everyone, Kitlin in a mood. How do we all feel about her little chicken legs and those big rock stompers?
They're like just casually walking down a hill. It makes it a lot easier.
Doing it. We're finally doing it 3 weeks later. We're putting the stickers on the car.
Alright.
Exciting times ahead. Pressure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Boom.
Happy?